Have you ever looked into your dog's eyes after they chewed up your favorite slipper and wondered, do they feel guilty? This question, simple yet profound, opens a window into the fascinating world of animal minds. Do animals possess a moral compass, a sense of right and wrong like humans, or are their actions purely driven by instinct and survival? This essay delves into the captivating world of animal behavior, exploring compelling evidence from various species that suggests the presence of a moral landscape in the animal kingdom. From dogs seemingly expressing guilt to elephants displaying remarkable empathy, the animal kingdom offers a plethora of intriguing behaviors that challenge our understanding of morality. By examining scientific studies and anecdotal observations, we aim to shed light on this complex question. Join us as we embark on this journey to unravel the mystery of animal morality. The image of a dog with drooping ears and downcast eyes after a misdeed is familiar to many dog owners. This guilty look, often interpreted as a sign of remorse, has sparked endless debates about dogs' capacity for guilt. Do these furry companions truly feel remorse for their actions? Or is this simply our anthropomorphic interpretation of their behavior? While some scientists argue that the guilty look is a response to owner cues, others suggest it reflects a deeper understanding of transgression. Studies have shown that dogs exhibit the guilty look even when they haven't misbehaved, particularly when their owners scold them. This suggests that dogs may associate the scolding with their previous actions, indicating a level of memory and association. However, the question of whether this translates to genuine guilt remains a subject of ongoing research. Fairness, a cornerstone of human morality, has also been observed in the canine world. Studies have revealed that dogs possess a sense of fairness and react negatively when treated unfairly. In one experiment, 2 dogs were trained to perform a simple task for a reward. When one dog received a higher value reward for the same task, the other dog showed signs of frustration and eventually refused to participate. This sensitivity to inequity suggests that dogs possess a rudimentary understanding of fairness, a concept once thought to be exclusive to humans. This finding challenges the traditional view of animal behavior as solely driven by self-interest and highlights the potential for complex social emotions in animals. Elephants, renowned for their intelligence and social complexity, provide compelling examples of empathy and altruism in the animal kingdom. These gentle giants exhibit a remarkable ability to console distressed individuals, offering comforting touches and vocalizations to those in need. This empathetic behavior extends beyond their own species, as elephants have been known to show concern for other animals in distress. In a heartwarming example, a herd of elephants came to the rescue of a baby rhino stuck in the mud. The elephants worked together to free the rhino, demonstrating an extraordinary capacity for interspecies compassion. Such acts of selflessness challenge the notion that altruism is a uniquely human trait and provide a glimpse into the compassionate depths of the animal mind. Chimpanzees, our closest living relatives, share astonishing similarities with humans in their social behavior and cognitive abilities. Studies on chimpanzees have provided valuable insights into the evolutionary roots of fairness and empathy. In one experiment, chimpanzees were presented with a choice between 2 options, one that rewarded only themselves and another that rewarded both themselves and a companion. Interestingly, chimpanzees showed a preference for the option that benefited both individuals, even when it meant receiving a smaller reward themselves. This willingness to share and cooperate, even at a personal cost, suggests a sense of fairness and an understanding of the needs of others. Further studies have revealed that chimpanzees console distressed individuals, offering hugs and comforting gestures, indicating a capacity for empathy similar to that observed in humans. Dolphins, highly intelligent marine mammals, known for their complex communication and social bonds, exhibit remarkable acts of altruism that extend beyond their own kind. These fascinating creatures have been observed protecting swimmers from sharks, forming protective circles around vulnerable individuals, and even assisting injured dolphins by bringing them to the surface to breathe. One particularly striking example involved a group of dolphins rescuing a whale and her calf that were stranded in shallow water. The dolphins formed a protective barrier around the whales, guiding them back to deeper water and ensuring their safe return to the open ocean. Such acts of interspecies altruism, often involving significant risk to the dolphins themselves, challenge our understanding of the boundaries of compassion in the animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is replete with inspiring examples of moral behavior, extending beyond the species discussed so far. Rats, often perceived as selfish creatures, have surprised researchers with their capacity for empathy. Studies have shown that rats will forego a treat if it means preventing another rat from receiving an electric shock. These findings challenge the stereotype of rats as solely self-serving creatures and highlight the potential for moral behavior in unexpected places. Birds, too, have demonstrated remarkable acts of altruism. In some bird species, individuals will forego breeding to help raise the offspring of their relatives, sacrificing their own reproductive potential for the benefit of their kin. This behavior, known as kin selection, demonstrates the power of social bonds and the willingness to prioritize the well-being of others, even at a personal cost. The compelling evidence presented throughout this essay paints a complex and nuanced picture of animal morality. From dogs seemingly experiencing guilt and elephants displaying remarkable empathy to chimpanzees exhibiting fairness and dolphins performing selfless acts of rescue, the animal kingdom offers a wealth of examples that challenge our traditional understanding of morality as a uniquely human trait. While some scientists argue that these behaviors are purely instinctual, driven by evolutionary pressures to ensure survival and reproduction, others suggest that they reflect a deeper cognitive and emotional capacity for moral reasoning. The question of whether animals possess a conscious moral compass, similar to humans, remains a subject of ongoing debate and scientific inquiry. As we continue to explore the fascinating world of animal minds, we must remain open to the possibility that our animal counterparts possess a moral landscape far richer and more complex than we ever imagined. By acknowledging the potential for moral behavior in animals, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of the natural world, but also challenge our own assumptions about the nature of morality itself.